Hey everyone, happy weekend. Welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's forecast Polkadot. I'll be presenting the base case, bull case, and bear case for DOT till the end of year 2023. These are the weekly AI-based forecasts created using two models, ARIMA and LSTM. And I'll be explaining what are the theoretical floor and ceiling and the most likely scenario. So the base case is the most likely scenario per the AI model, and these are not financial advice. These are use of data science to forecast future price action. So before we do that, I'll briefly explain what this chart is about. This is weekly price of DOT, which is Polkadot's native crypto, and this is color coded from dark green to dark red based on how heated the price action is. If the price action is undervalued, with then the color code is green. If it's overvalued, then it's red. And these color codes are calculated by a statistical measure known as z-score, which is a comparison of the current price and the average price for the time series. That is, what is the average price from 2020 till 2023, and comparing in terms of standard deviation. So for example, this undervaluation territory in December 2020 at $5. Right now, Polkadot's dot token is under $4, so it closed $3.77. So maybe that is a better example. For the last week, when the price was at $3.77, the z-score that I just briefly mentioned earlier was negative 0.89. That is almost one standard deviation away to the downside. That's the price action. That's the most undervalued we went up in this bear market. That's why you are seeing new lows created for DOT ever since the rallies in which started in February. Every time we went low, we almost had a lower low. So and then especially this trend has been intact since July 2023. That is the last bull rally that we had was a significant lower high than this one, and then the ones that we had in February and April, and after putting in that lower high, the lows that were in were much lower than these double bottoms that it achieved in early January of 2023, and then in June of 2023 at around $4.50. Now the price is action is well below those $4 level. This is the undervaluation territory. I'll also explain briefly the overvaluation territory. That is the 3 standard deviation away move that DOT made in the bull run, that is in November 2021. So I'll keep a track on this z scores. These z scores have a tendency of repeating themselves in the bull market. So if you would like to see the updates related to what is a potential peak of the next bull run for DOT, please stay subscribed to the channel, so that as we move towards that phase, we have more data, and we can forecast what are the 3 standard deviation away moves for the next bull run, and that those can correspond to the topping scenarios over there. But right now we are not in that phase, unfortunately, even though there has been some rallies for Bitcoin and some top altcoins. Polkadot, to my knowledge, has not participated in most of those rallies. Even if there are some brief upsides that we are seeing, they are not. The AI-based forecast is not higher than, at least at a base case level, higher than the $5.32 cents level that we went in July of 2023. This is the base case, the forecast starting October 29, which is tomorrow. And the average for this week per the AI model is coming in at a new kind of like a new trajectory for Polkadot at $4.23, because the downturn that we are witnessing, it's at $3.77. But for the AI model for this first week of November, again coming in at $4.23. Till the end of November, a slow decline from 4.23 to almost $4 towards the end of November, and then again in December from $4 we per the AM model will rally to somewhere $4.30 level, and then back to $4.14. So the base case scenario for DOT is coming in between $4 and $4.30 per the AI model, kind of like a small V-shaped action is expected per the AI model at a base case. The bull case that I would like to present is what is the theoretical upside, what are some of the, in case of a major bull run, what are some of the resistances which would likely hold, and a theoretical ceiling. So for the month of November, if there is a significant rally during the early parts of the month of November, the ceiling is at $7, which is pretty close to the highest that Polkadot created, the DOT token created in February of 2023, about $7, and then towards the end of November it's at $6.60, and in December again slowly gets lower, as low as $6, exactly at $6.50. So the trajectory or the theoretical ceiling in a bull case towards the end of the year for Polkadot is between $6.50 and $7. That's the bull case scenario. And the third scenario that I would like to present is the bear case. What if this continued downturn that we are witnessing since July, if this trend holds, what are the theoretical floors, that is where is the bottoming pattern that we are witnessing, where till what point can it go down in case of a bear scenario for cryptos or Polkadot in particular, or any risky assets in particular. You might have seen currently S&P also is in a downtrend, which is the 500 top stocks by market cap and by the traditional stock market. So if that trend continues, it's wise to know what is a theoretical downside for cryptos, which are technically more risky than stock. Per the AI model, the following are the AI based predictions or forecasts. These are again not financial advice. For if the trend continues, that is established since June, in the early part of November, per the AI model, the price action may crash to about slightly higher than $3. So from $3.70 that we are witnessing currently to about $3 towards the end of month November. And in December, starting December again from again that the $3 level crash to about, you can see that from $3 we rally to $3.20, and then about $2.80, and ultimately during the last week of December at about $2.67. So that's the bear case. I would summarize the three cases in a tabular format. So the base case that we discussed for the remainder of year is between $4 and $4.30 for DOT at a weekly average till the end of the year. The bull case is between $6.43, almost $6.50 and $7. And the bear case is between $2.60 and $3.70. That is the bear case. So I hope you like this scenarios that we forecast using AI techniques for forecasting crypto prices. And if you like that, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.